He's gonna break everything.
He's gonna try to step on that table. Oh my god. He wants a scratch. Oh no. He's gonna... We shouldn't look at him. What if he falls?
He's gonna break things.
He's gonna fall down.
Get out of here. You're gonna break the table and the furniture. You need to get out.
Keep going. He's
Keep going.
Don't yell at him, Lisa.
Keep going.
He's peeking.
Because he's faking it. He thinks he's faking us out.